Yeah. Is there a rib? Hold on. Cool. I can see myself. Yeah, this is better for firing that ways. Alright, let's go on the end of this building. Which corner are we looking at? Moving up to the tyres.
Pressing the right side.
What I'm going to do, I'm going to relocate to that bush so I can go prone and see if we can... Hold up! You dropped it off just before you reach the corner, bud. A little bit higher if you want to try and... I almost got his arm. I'm dropping off as well, I think. Relocating. Hey! That's pretty decent.
I'm only on bloody 30.
Decent enough. Why?
We've got people in the car park.
People in the car park
Cool.
will use the barrels. As soon as you take your head round,
Yep.
you might get pumped. So keep it pretty deep.
Sure.
There's loads of people in the car park.
Usually are. How are we looking?
They gave up
Building.
Is the building ours or is the building theirs?
Building ours.
Okay.
You've only got a shot out the front of the building.
You can't get out the front of the building and inside. That's why this corner's back.
Okay. Alright. You guys want to pressure them from the side of the building? It might draw their fire in that ways, yeah? Oh, this is going to be a pain in the ass. Hold up. Mike, watch your head. By the radio antenna. got eyes on. I got eyes on. They're behind the radio tower canisters. Oh, jeez.
Sorry, it's too white on that.
Oh, doing this left-handed is really not a good idea.
I might know above. Can't move in this wind.
I know, right? Where are they? They're behind those yellow canisters, but I'm not sure where.
I know there's one right behind the by the radio antenna.
Yeah. You're hitting the thing.
Oh, what was that? Yeah, it's nice to sit with
They're seeing us. They've seen us. They've seen us. That might get them thinking we're going to push, but got him. Fucking hell. We got a little bit of cover now. Hey, how did that end up over there? I threw it that way.
There's a lot of wind today.
Yeah. Hold up. He's not moving, so let him get confident. Hop out. You got one on the back side of that barn, though. You might be able to get eyes on. That's my hit! Ow! They're pushing up on the car park side. We've got limited lives though. Last I heard as well, apparently it sounds like they may have more respawns than us that have been used. That's what it sounds like anyways. Last I heard. They are holding down that car park pretty well. There's one behind the barn, a couple behind the canisters on the left hand side. Don't know if you guys want to push it or what. Okay, last I saw. What again? Scared. Ow. You seen me? Left hand side of the container. Your BBs are going to curve to the left slightly. Fairly certain you'll shoot. Yeah, hit. No, we're not gonna get him with this wind blowing this way. He's got wind on us, so he's gonna get more range. Move round. Guys, the wind's blowing this way. He's getting more range on us than we are on them.
Always move up to the building, take that there.
Certainly try.
Right, go for the building.
Right. Do you have eyes on? There's a guy pretty much directly to my front.
Guy, open window and guy open his head out in front.
Volume fire. Is it?
No.
No.
Someone shoot to the right of him and then maybe shoot
Watch
to the
out.
left.
Don't stand up.
Hits! Nice! Can't tell who that was, though.
Fucking had loads of them.
You want to get up?
Sorry, mate!
Went upstairs, I waved at him, he waved back, and then I realised he could undo the shot lock. Pushed the fucking window and just started spraying at him.
Right.
And he moaned to the marshal.
Last I saw, there were a couple behind the brown building, but we weren't able to get them because of the wind.
That's the biggest thing, isn't it? Right. You got any windows up upstairs?
That corner one. No, and the back window that way, facing that way. You've got to stand on top of the desk to get any height though.
Okay. Mike, you good to give me rear security?
There's no windows up here though.
Desk.
What do you think is close?
Oh. Oh, whatever.
That's what I meant. They are to take close. So we can get a good eye line from there.
Got no visual, but there doesn't seem to be anyone behind the.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. I think the master should close those ones.
That's probably a good idea.
Can't get any yellow tabs as well, mate.
I opened it, the marshal came running in, so I just ran out.
Mate, it's time to push up again.
Okay. Occupying the red two-story building, car park side.
I think I can see the top of someone's head.
Whereabouts you looking, bud?
Right in this gap.
Hold up. Stay still. No, it's I don't think there is anyone there, mate.
I'm tempted to push.
Go on.
You cover up from here.
I won't be able to give you much cover from here, but they look like they've laid down a smoke, guys. Come on.
Wait,
Whoa.
Go down, I'll go up. This way, you can.
I got no eyes on, guys. There's hits. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa! Hold up, hold up. Got move. Thanks. Got movement. Nah, he's through the trees. He's through the trees directly in front of me. He's just poking his head out, but I can't.
Switching over the sniper today.
I've got my regular with me. This is
Actual spray.
spring. I might swap out to 2.5s though. 3.2s are a bit heavy.
Right down the other right hand side of this building.
Thing is, I know I saw someone pretty much directly to my 12. I'm gonna move up to these wooden bits.
Just there.
Hey?
Can't see anyone upstairs, but we've got a ready shot.
Okay. I'll move to the wooden barricades. We want to push out the building because we're not really getting much action going on here. On your 6, bud. I can see a head. I can see a head, yeah.
I'll move off the containers to the one on the left. Will you be able to shoot me?
Probably. Hits! Good shot! JJ, radio check, radio check. That's field side, isn't it? Moving on the car park side, mate, we're trying to hold that down. There's a couple of people we can't quite tag. Car park side, car park side. Car park side.
Still getting pretty well, really. Yeah, I didn't see it.
I don't know. There's some far building. I can't tag them. How did you die?
I don't know. I don't know where they are, but they're probably a good shot.
Okay, 2 past the actual building where they can pass on the
2
far
on the
side.
far corner, 3 on the far corner.
I'm not tagging that far corner. I don't have the range on it. He's moved up to the building. He's moved up to the building.
Pushing up.
left container, far left container on the side of that green building. You got eyes on?
Right down at the end.
Yeah, I don't have range on them. Whoa! Hold up, we got incoming. Jay, watch your right side. What? There's incoming rounds coming towards us. Yeah.
Alright, do we know if there's anyone by the radio tower either? He's going to go to this side of the left container.
Move. We got a red in the barn. We got a red in the barn. Do not fire. This side seems clear. Yeah, but we've pushed them off that back wall, and we've also pushed them over there. We've got friendlies on those buildings with the radio tower, and all the way around. We've got one in the barn. We got the wind on their side.
Fuck, I like that. That's smart.
Second hand, I don't know how they did it, but... Okay, they're moving around the other side of those green buildings. Yeah. Car park side. We've got reds moving around, yellows moving around that green building. Moving up. I'm going to put smoke, obscure their vision slightly. Red's in the way, I won't get a clear shot.